Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle there, with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, and your navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then you have My View, which is like a favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then you have your truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here, with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed out of the way for some more open space here, as well as so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want to work out of your vehicle or eat in your vehicle with a nice flat surface, it is there and quite convenient. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.